I get the question all the time, what do you do? Well, I'm going to answer that question here. I'm Anthony Obi, co-founder of Life and Launches with my wife, Crystal. My wife of 22 years and I are business partners, and we established Life and Launches with the mission of helping purpose-driven entrepreneurs craft magnetic messages and sales funnels that build high profit, low stress lifestyle businesses without losing their soul or their shirt. I've been a direct response copywriter and digital marketing consultant since 2007. So I help entrepreneurs, founders, and marketing directors establish their brand message, sales messaging, and promotional campaigns that generate leads and automated sales for products and services they wish to offer. I consult with companies to solidify a streamlined sales funnel process that starts with the end goal in mind to sell a product or service. A sales funnel that I recommend and then write typically includes a high value free offer, a sales offer or free consultation, which is usually the case with B2B high ticket or customized offers, email follow up campaign, and either a paid advertisement copy campaign, or organic promotional post copy campaign for social media, or both. Deliverables that I regularly write for campaigns may include sales and or product pages, SEO website pages, high value webinar scripts, video sales letter scripts or VSLs, SEO thought leadership articles, nurture and or promotional email campaigns, PPC ad copy, organic post copy, video scripts, and YouTube descriptions. I craft campaigns either from scratch, or I analyze and make over existing campaigns to optimize their performance. I'm an expert in writing these top to bottom sales funnel campaigns and then advising clients on how to install them as a simple website and sales funnel process in their businesses and on their website that run on autopilot like a true online selling machine. The next step to ensuring success is consulting clients on the best way to start driving traffic to their sales funnel for fast and long-term sales success. This happens with a robust content marketing, social media marketing, paid advertising, um, PR, interviews, collaborations, speaking engagements, and other promotional efforts. All of these efforts should be focused on driving people to a high value lead magnet or sales page that captures leads, and then converts them from warm leads to new customers with email nurture and conversion campaigns. I was certified many years ago by the legendary marketer Dan Kennedy in writing copy for information marketers, including coaches, consultants, course creators, and thought leaders. So that's a pretty strong specialty of mine, but I've worked with many professional service companies, SaaS companies, e-commerce sellers, local businesses, all types of companies over the years. I was also trained years ago by AWAI in their seven-figure copywriting program. More recently, I've become certified in the latest LinkedIn and virtual summit strategies, and I am trained in how to grow huge audiences and drive massive traffic utilizing YouTube and Pinterest as well. I can help you synthesize all of these promotional activities into a seamless, integrated marketing effort that drives perpetual warm traffic, establishes your brand identity in the marketplace, generates leads, and generates sales. Grow your business and reach more people with your brand and help you build a brand that stands the test of time. I've worked with literally hundreds of businesses from around the world, from startups to international $100 million a year companies, and even a couple of household name brand companies as well. Here's just a handful of the many case studies, reviews, and successes that I'm proud to present to you and ways that I've helped entrepreneurs achieve massive results. If you want to discuss your business goals and how we might be able to help you take your marketing results to the next level, book a complimentary discovery call. We enjoy connecting with fellow visionaries, founders, and marketing experts. There's no obligation, but it just might be the best next step for helping you get unstuck and reaching your goals faster and without wasting valuable time, money, and energy. Book a discovery call today.